Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma. Once again I am with you with the second part of exercises of chapter number 3, Adjectives and Degrees of Comparison. So dear kids, we completed till exercise number C of page number 20 in our last video. So please open your book on page number 20 once again, because this is page number 20. Whatever you can see on your screen, keep a pencil in your hand so that you can do the necessary correction, or if you have forgot to do the exercises, so please do it from here. Degrees of comparison. So it is what we have read about 3 degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative. And in positive degree we do not do any comparison, we describe only one person. In comparative degree we compare two things or two persons, and in superlatives we compare more than two persons or the objects of the same class, right? Now the exercise given to you here is exercise number D on page number 21. Complete these sentences by using an adjective in the comparative form, right? So what you have to do, comparative form you have to do, means the second degree you have to use here. Now the jug on the table is dash than one in the cupboard which cannot hold much water. So you can do it without the instruction also, because two things are being compared here, the jug which is kept on the table and the second one which is kept in the cupboard, right? So two things are here. So here you have to do the comparison. Now what is the comparative degree of big? Please use that funda, speak the word big. Your tongue and teeth are touching only once, that means it is what? Bigger, it is not more big. Okay, so it is bigger. And what is the spelling of bigger? It's B-I-G-G-E-R. So B-I-G-G-E-R is the answer of this question number 1. Question number 2 is, he has not acted in a play earlier. They wanted someone dash than him. Now than, you know, I have told you in the explanation video, the than word we use in the comparative with the comparative degree. So experience is given to you. So what you will do here, speak the word experience and find out that it is what we have to do here, more experienced. It is M-O-R-E, more, and experienced is E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E-D, right? More experienced. Next is third, Rita selected a dash pair of shoes because she did not have enough pocket money. So the word given to you here is, means the positive degree given to you is cheap, and what you will do here, cheap, please speak cheap, it is one time only, so it is cheaper, C-H-E-A-P-E-R, right? Next is the words of the speaker were dash after the mic was adjusted. It is clear to you, and clear is the positive degree, and speak clear, it is only once. So what is that? Clearer, clearer. What is this? Clearer. Next is, she could have bought the dash pair of socks which would look good with her dress. So here it is long, and what is that? Long, right? It is only once. So what is the answer? It's longer, because you have to fill this with comparative form. Exercise number E now. That's very interesting. You have to transform the sentences. Read the following examples and frame sentences with the comparatives. The red bus have 5 passengers and the blue bus has 8 passengers, and the word which you have to use, that is few. So the red bus has fewer passengers than the blue bus, because comparative we have to form here. So than word we have to use one, because I have given you the formulas also. If you remind, please check your videos. I have given the formula for the transformation of the sentences. So please open your notebook where you have done that, where you have written that. That will help you a lot to transform the sentences. So this formula is what? Fewer we have to do, the red bus has become passenger than the blue bus. Second is, the apple are ripe, the guavas are not very ripe. and the word is ripe, which you have to adjust here, and the word and the answer will be the apples are riper than the guavas. Now next is the thing which we have to do ourselves. Rohan crossed the river in 10 minutes, Ram crossed the river in 20 minutes. So who crossed the river in longer time? Who took longer time? Because they have given long here. Okay, so long you have to use as degree. So what you will do here, who took longer time? Ram, because Ram crossed the river in 20 minutes and Rohan crossed the river in 10 minutes. So what you will do, Ram took longer than Rohan to cross the river. What you will do, Ram took, T-O-O-K, took longer, L-O-N-G-E-R. Ram took longer than Rohan to cross the river. That is the answer. Please take once again, I am speaking. Ram took longer than Rohan to cross the river, right? Because long is given to us here. Next is Sana's house is near the park, Rani's house is not near the park. So whose house is near? What you will do? Sana's house, right? So that is what? Sana's house is near. What you have to use? So what you will do is nearer. Here you will add nearer to the park than Rani's house. So please listen once again. Sana's house is nearer to the park than Rani's house. Last one is the green dress cost rupees 200, the orange dress cost rupees 300, and the word which you have to use is cheap. Okay, so the answer is the green dress cost is cheaper than the orange. The green dress costs cheaper than the orange. So you can do, because cheap is given. The green dress costs cheaper, C-H-E-A-P-E-R, cheaper than the orange. Okay, so this is what we have learnt in exercise number E. I hope you have done. Exercise number F is, look at this picture and write down the sentences using than with the comparative form. So here, the red flower dash the yellow one. Again you have to do what? Comparison, means comparative, second degree you have to use. So red flower is bigger than, because second degree is big, and whenever we have to do comparison, then we have to do than. Okay, please turn over your page number next, that is 22, and next question is given there only. Rajan dash than Summer. So tall is given. So what you will do? Rajan is taller, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller, and than is already given here. So is taller than Rajan. Rajan is taller than Summer. Next one is the third one, the rabbit dash than the tortoise. This is tortoise, okay, not tortoise. The rabbit is, lazy is given, L-A-Z-I-E-R, lazier, and then is already given. So rabbit is lazier than the tortoise. So this was exercise number F, I hope so. Next we have to do exercise number G. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the boxes. In such weather, we cannot venture out. In such weather, we cannot venture out. And the help box is also given to you in this blue box. So please take the help from there. It is the word given cold, colder, large, larger, better, bad, and closer. So in such bad weather, this is answer number 1. In such bad weather, we cannot venture out, because we are talking about only one thing. We are not comparing anything, so we are describing here. So we have to do positive degree, right? November is dash in Delhi, but the dash month is usually December. So here first we have to take positive degree because we are talking about 1 month, but in Delhi, but the month in usually in December, then we have to use second degree. So that is, first we will do November is cold, and the coldest. And one clue I want to give you here, the is given, it means the dash we will fill with the superlative degree, right? So cold and coldest, this is second answer. Mrs. Sharma's house is dash than that of her neighbor. Now we are comparing two houses, right? So it is what? Large, larger, closer. What is that? Larger, because two things we are comparing. So this is answer number 3. Mrs. Sharma's house is larger than that of her neighbor. Treasure Island is a dash book than Robinson Crusoe. So we are comparing two books here. Now good and better and best. So this is what? Better. So fourth is what? Better. Treasure Island is a better book than Robinson Crusoe. Mr. Khan has built a dash house on the hills. Because we are comparing, we are describing only one house of Mr. Khan's. So we will do here only positive degree, that is fifth one, and the word is large. Delhi is certainly dash to Lucknow than Tamil Nadu. It is what? Only one we have obviously, and Delhi is certainly closer to Lucknow than Tamil Nadu. So we are comparing two things here. So closer is the right answer. I hope you did the exercise in your book. Next come to page number 23 and exercise number H we have to do. But I want you to just learn the usage of these different words. First is given late is there, and that is having later and latest, right? Positive degree is late, then later and then latest, but it is also having later and last also, right? So that is LATTER also and LAST also. The main positive degree is late, but this is having two type of comparative degrees. One is later and latest, and second is later and last. So this later and latest refer to time, right? It is given here. When we have to refer time, we have to use later and latest. When we have to refer position, we have to write down later and last, right? So that is very easy. Please see exercise number H, page number 21. Okay, fill in the blank with later and later. One is for LATTER for position and LATER for time. The match will start dash than I expected. So what is there? We will do position here or time? Time obviously. So the answer here is what? Later, LATER. It's ER, okay? LATER. Question number 2. Among the two plans, I would prefer the former to the now position. So it is LATTER, right? To the later. I reached the school dash than usual. Here we are talking about time. So that is what? Later. So third one is later. This is second one. Let's talk about fourth. We have postponed the meeting to a dash date. So it is what? Time. So time is what? LATER. So fourth one is later. Of the two solutions, the dash appears convincing. Here we are talking about first or second, means we are talking about the position. So when there is position, what we have to do? It's LATTER, later, right? You have to learn it, that's it. It's quite easy. Next is exercise number I. That is given on page number 24. Fill in the blanks with the latest and the last, right? Dash here we met her at the exhibition. So again that one is for position and one is for time. So what is here? Dash year we met her at the exhibition. So what we will do? Last, because we are talking about time. I love to follow the dash trends and fashion. This is what? Latest. This is position. I was the dash person to leave the library yesterday. What they are talking about? Last, because we are talking about time. We are eager to know the dash development in the Japan. It is latest. Fifth one is the dash issue of the magazine is not available. So again it is latest. Position we are talking about, right? So the first one is last, second one is latest, third one is last, fourth one is latest once again, and fifth one is also latest. Next is exercise number J, and we have to learn here use of old. Okay, and see, old can be in two forms, means old is old in the positive degree, but comparative and superlative can be different. So old, we learnt that older, oldest also, and old can be written as elder and eldest also. But where is this older and oldest we have to use? So look here on page number 24, older and oldest, they refer to both persons and the objects, right? And elder and eldest, they are used only for the person and especially for the members of the same family. Like your brother can be elder, but your friend cannot be elder because he is not member of your family. Clear? Okay. Now one very important thing is given to you, that elder is not used with than. Where there is than, you will not use elder with that, right? I hope you understood. Read it once again, that older and oldest, they refer to both persons and objects. लेकिन पर्सन्स के साथ सर वही यूज़ करना है जो कि आपके रिलेटिव्स नहीं है, जो कि आपके फैमिली मेम्बर और ब्लड रिलेशंस में नहीं हैं, ठीक है। और एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट वहीं यूज़ करना है जहाँ जो पर्सन्स के साथ ही यूज़ होगा, लेकिन उन पर्सन्स के साथ यूज़ होगा जो कि आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, मतलब जो आपके ब्लड रिलेशंस में हैं। क्लियर? और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि एल्डर इज़ नॉट यूज्ड विद देन, सो प्लीज़ सी दैट केयरफुली। Fill in the blanks with elder and older. Jane is her dash sister. Now sister है, so sister blood relation में है, family member है, तो family member के लिए हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? Elder, E-L-D-E-R. So the first answer is E-L-D-E-R, elder. She is dash than Jane. अभी she and Jane, they are not, the sentence is not describing any relation between both. Right, so we will do here older. My brother is not dash than me. We have read that in the family members, when the family members are the blood relation, we will use elder. But here we have read one exception also, कि अगर उस सेंटेंस में than होगा तब हम वहाँ elder को यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो अब इस सेंटेंस में बिकॉज एल्डर है तो हम यहाँ ओल्डर ही फिल करेंगे, ओल्डर, O-L-D-E-R, इट्स O-L-D-E-R, ओके। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस। फोर्थ इज शी इज डैश टू द ब्रदर, टू हर ब्रदर, सो ब्रदर एंड शी, इट्स अ फैमिली अगैन, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? इट इज एल्डर. व्हाट इज इट? एल्डर. Next is once again of this older, eldest type. So let's see. He is the son of Mr. Bajaj. Eldest or oldest? So what you will do? The sentence is describing the relation of a father and a son. So it's a family. What you will do? Elder. So first is what? Eldest. E-L-D-E-S-T. Second one, the building is in the locality was built 100 years ago. Now it's a thing. So what you will do? Oldest. Third is, my brother is in the army. Brother again. What is this? eldest. Eldest. He is the dash employee of the organization. Eldest तो नहीं है, family तो नहीं है, ना तो blood relation है, employee है. So what you will do? Oldest. OLDEST. She is the dash citizen of our residential block. Once again, it's not a family relation. So what is this? Oldest. Okay. Things are very easy and very simple. Only you have to learn and read. Keep on reading, keep on listening, keep on solving the exercises. Next is the last exercise for today. It is use of far. So far is used as farther also and further also, and both are used to express the distance. It is given here. For example, Kolkata is farther or further from Mumbai than Delhi, but further also means additional. Without any further delay, the guide helped us to reach, right? कि farther और further दोनों ही जो words हैं वो express करते हैं distance को भी, लेकिन जो further है FURTHER, that is उसका मतलब होता है कि कुछ additional भी, कुछ और भी, ठीक है? So let's see the exercise and fill in the blank with farther and or further. So the first one is fill in without any dash explanation, the committee dismissed him from his duty. So what you will do? It's further. FURTHER. FURTHER, because this is additional. ठीक है कि ज़्यादा डिले नहीं किया, फर्दर डिसमिस कर दिया. I am too tired and cannot walk any dash, कि आगे नहीं चल सकती हूँ मैं. ठीक है, तो ये क्या बता रहा है? डिस्टेंस बता रहा है. यहाँ पे आप फार्दर भी कर सकते हो और फर्दर भी कर सकते हो. इट्स योर ड्यूटी, इट्स योर चॉइस एक्चुअली. सो वी हैव लर्न दैट. यहाँ देखो ऊपर लिखा है कि बोथ आर यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द डिस्टेंस. सो फार्दर भी हो सकता है, फर्दर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट्स बेटर फर्दर भी यूज़ करो और फार्दर भी, दोनों ऑब्लिक करके दोनों चीज़ें लिख सकते हो, बिकॉज इट इज़ टेलिंग द डिस्टेंस. नो डैश ऑर्डर्स वर सेंट फ्रॉम द हेड क्वार्टर्स टू द ट्रूप. अब ये डिस्टेंस नहीं बता रहा, दिस इज टेलिंग एडिशन, राइट? सो थर्ड वाले का आंसर है फर्दर. व्हाट इज दिस? फर्दर. No further, FURTHER, and here you can do both, farther and further. This also, this also. Fourth, the park is dash from the school then stadium. This is what? Distance. So here also we can use both. And which both? We can use farther also, further also, right? He avoided dash remarks in the order to avoid controversy. Avoided further because it is addition. FURTHER. ठीक है, ये position नहीं बता रहा लेकिन addition बता रहा है. So this is further. I hope you understood this. I think we should complete one last exercise of this type that is given on page number 25, and then in the next video we will do the transformation of the sentences. Okay, I hope you are getting it. It is what? Page number 25. Today's last exercise, that is exercise M. But before that we will learn the use of nearest and next. So nearest means the shortest distance. Next indicates sequence of things coming one after another. Suppose जब मैम चेक करती है आपकी नोटबुक, so मैम calls next student please come. So that is what? It is sequence of the thing. Or tell me the next point or in the answer or next step in the mathematics when you solve the sum. So we will do this कि अब आगे क्या आने वाला, अब आगे क्या आने वाला, अब आगे क्या आने वाला है. ठीक है, सीक्वेंस लाइक नंबर 1 पे क्या आएगा, 2 पे क्या आएगा, 3 पे क्या आएगा, 4 पे क्या आएगा. लेकिन जो नियरेस्ट वो हो गया नेक्स्ट के केस में. लेकिन जो नियरेस्ट है, नियरेस्ट मीन्स कि थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे. सपोज मेरा घर मेरे स्कूल से नेक्स्ट है, नियरेस्ट है मतलब शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस पे है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द रूल हियर. एग्जाम्पल्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन. माई हाउस इज़ नेक्स्ट टू द स्कूल, मतलब बहुत शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस पे है. एंड दिस इज़ द नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल फ्रॉम द हाउस, कि मेरे घर के पास बहुत सारे, मतलब जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ वहाँ बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल हैं, लेकिन जो नंबर 1 जो डिस्टेंस है, मतलब जो सबसे पास वाला है, उसमें नंबर 1 ये वाला है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ नियरेस्ट हो गया। M exercise, fill in the blanks with nearest to next. The nearest, I've told you the answer. The nearest market from this place is local vegetable market. कि बहुत सारी मार्केट्स हैं, लेकिन जो नंबर 1 पे है, जो सीक्वेंस उसका ऑर्डर है वो नियरेस्ट है, तो नियरेस्ट है फ्रूट मार्केट और वेजिटेबल मार्केट, सो दैट इज़ 1 नियरेस्ट. Number 1 is nearest. Now I am not writing, please listen to me. Nearest, Nearest is the answer of first. The flower shop is dash to my house. अब फ्लावर शॉप है, अब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि सब सारी फ्लावर की शॉप्स हैं, ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज़ दैट, बहुत सारी शॉप्स हैं, उसमें से फ्लावर की शॉप जो है दैट इज़ व्हाट, दैट इज़ नेक्स्ट टू माई हाउस, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्या बता रहा है, सीक्वेंस. I go to the dash fruit market to buy fruits. It is nearest market, ठीक है, nearest means shortest distance, so third is nearest. Jia's house is dash to the post office. अब next to the post office, कि बिल्कुल साथ लगता हुआ उसी का है, next पहले post office और फिर उसका house, ठीक है, so this is next. The train will arrive at 6 in the evening. So the next train will arrive. It is telling us the sequence of the next train. So please check your answers once again. First is nearest, second is next, third is nearest, fourth is next, and the fifth is next. I hope this is enough for today, and hope so that you understood the exercises also. Keep on reading like this, keep on growing like this. Thank you very much.